Do you like no string cheese not timed out? Do you like to just go to number two and then go to 30? Because it'll just prove yourself if you're just consistent. That's like more of the bigger thing. I'm gonna just do 2023. Like, let's do 2024 December. See how December is. We're gonna stop before this upcoming week or this upcoming month. Like, I know people say December like sucks. But in terms of news, it looks insane. I don't know if you guys saw. So like, we have like next week we have like PMI. Like, we have red folder news every single day next week besides Tuesday. The week after that, we have FOMC and PPI. And then the week after that, we have NFP on a Tuesday, which is like outrageous. And we have CPI on the same week. And again, red folder news every single day. So, and that's because I think this is the government shutdown, push everything. So we have red folder news all basically. I think every single day besides 2 days. Oh no, 3 days. Yeah, which is like insane. CPI, NFP, FOMC in the next 3 weeks. Yeah. So, anyways, let's get into this. If you guys have questions or trades you want me to review, you can just send them in chat, and I'll do my best. Right now, let's just back this. Explain price, you know, the usual. Okay. So, start off with 4 hour time frame. Make sure I'm on the right. Yep. So start off with the 4 hour time frame. Are we bullish? Are we bearish? What's my draws? I see a 4 hour inversion. I see, with respect to this 4 hour gap, I see an obvious buy side above type ES for some T's. Okay, we do have an SMT this high, technically. We are kind of forming LR to the downside on the higher time frame. It's not super clean, but I'd probably just be bullish here. Yeah, it's not super clean, but if I start to see like a reversal, I can target that. Dream scenario would probably just be like pull back in this first presented for value gap, get along. I doubt we get that though, so I'll probably just be looking at short from this high maybe. Kind of see what price wants to do. Alright. Okay, so market open is pumps. Okay, I want to mine the short. If you get one. No, that's pretty bullish reaction. So I'm just gonna look for like an unfilled something to target. Oh, there's a 30-second right here. This gap's low-key too small, but I probably won't have taken that. And it's not at 10 a.m., so it's not fitting time. I feel like we rerun that high. Yeah. And now if you would reverse, it would be now, because it would be 10 a.m. Okay, see now now we're at 9:57, and we're about to leave an unmitigated 15-minute. So now time aligns. How big is the gap? It depends on the volatility and the gaps around it. Usually what I just say is like I know Reliable says like 4 points, but that's also misleading because sometimes super small gaps are 4 points. I would just say like whatever looks obvious to the eye. Like this looks obvious. To me, this does not look obvious. Like it's just like blatant. Yeah, Exonus is 6. A break even here, So this is at 10 a.m. We have an unmitigated 15 below. We have delivery. Not really. Like, this could lose. I mean, we should at least hit the break even. Actually, ES just took out its buy side and we're getting a reversal. And ES has like LR larger downside. So let's see. Okay. It was a break even trade, so I'm just not even gonna take it. That's a break even. So that break even saves me. Cool. So I think we're just bullish here. I don't even think I want to retrace that unfill 15. I need to look to the left, look for some gap to deliver out of. Yeah, there's like nothing. I guess like this high, but I'd probably say this high I could see some reaction. This is giving bullish trend day already because we're not reversing at 10 a.m. We're just making higher lows. Yeah. Okay. I would be looking for a reaction up from here. Once we sweep that. Alright, we're not even getting up there. Okay, that's fine. We'll just go next though. I didn't like anything there. I wanted to see that short play out to the unmitigated 15. Okay, so we have relative equal highs here. Let's go down in. This should be my target. We do have an S&T at it though, so we'll see. Dream scenario would be 50% pullback of this range. Tap that. Get a long out the 4 hour. Or get a short after buy side's taken. Okay, very bearish reaction there. We get a long here. I don't like it. We do have an SMT though, but this unmitigated 4 hour is really obvious. I feel like we should tap that. Yeah, so that was a break even long. Another long here. 30-second. Actually, it's invalid. Never mind. Okay. Off that reaction, we probably go for buy side. You have a 5 minute here, but this is didn't close. It's probably too high. Yeah, I'm not taking that off that close. That's fine. Okay, what about a break even? Kind of uncorrelated. Long here, S&P at the low. Kind of in a weird spot. Like this could work, but it's like mid-range trading. I think I'd want to wait for the extremity. Okay, so that one printed. That's fine. We did have an S&T at the low, so. Okay, can we go hit the buy side? That's so annoying. I don't want a bearish reaction yet. Alright, no trade. I guess that long was valid, but okay, we're just blasting. Wow. This is, oh, we're at all-time highs. Oh, I did not even know that. Okay, what all-time highs you can long, wherever, whenever you like. Now PA is about to be horrible. That sucks, but we'll see. So I'm only gonna shorter if we have LRLR. Here we have like mid-tier LRLR. It's not really great. Here's a short. I'm not gonna take it. Literally just, I mean, it's just a V shape. Kind of just gambling that it will print there. We have no delivery, no nothing. Yeah, I'll sign up for that. So I don't know. There's a long. Man, we're all-time highs now. I probably would not take this. Yeah, we have mitigated gap. I would want a long from here personally. I like that one for 4 hour. Wow. God, I hate all-time highs. Next day. I feel like I'm trading last month when we had that big run up. And they were just like up and up. Okay, so we probably could get a short because now we have delivery. Ooh. I want to short this so bad. This looks like clear AMD. Accumulation, manipulation, pre-market, distribution, but there's no fair value yet. Maybe now. Nope. Dude, the SPA. I mean, I guess just long from obvious lows. Might try this. I feel like this low is so obvious, and that this should work. If we put a 30-second breaker in, actually put it up here. Rebounds to 2 minute. The gap's not super obvious, but like, I feel like we should run this low. And we have an SMT at the high. Yeah, I'm gonna try this short. Probably a little risky, but I kind of have conviction. What time is it? 10 a.m. 10 a.m. ES just took out buy sides for 10 a.m. reversal. We should just dump here. Interesting. I don't want to get. Actually, technically, I already stopped out. No. Yeah, I'll just keep the stop loss here. Okay. Wow. Okay, this short's better. Dude, all-time highs, man. Okay, I'll give it one more shot. Yeah, but like, look at yeah. See, ES is following through with 10 a.m. reversal. Like, it makes sense. Right, like, this is V-shaping down to run sell side. Nasdaq just like, where did it even go back up? It went back up on the small pullback. Okay, I think this might work. We're inverting these. I mean, why am I at all-time highs, man? This is the word. I hate all-time highs. Yeah, it's probably not that good. Okay, I'll just hold this. Let's see if we want to go for sell side. Did we hit? We made equal lows. Interesting. Where is this? Is there an SMT here? Oh. Okay. Also, what are these candles? Am I trading a bank holiday? There's an SMT here. Lifetime, I probably would want to break even. This is just the worst. I see this on when you are looking at a trade, if a gap has already been mitigated instead of forms against it. Yeah, you would wait as well. Okay, we have a data low, thank the Lord. We have something. Okay, well, I would have already been done for the day. Because when we have news at 8:30, I'd be on at 8. I get on at 8:15. And actually, I would not have been done for the day. I would have taken this 1 minute and got break even. Another 1 minute here. I don't like it. I want to resweep with that high. I'll take this 1 minute. Ooh. Shiny. Shiny, shiny. Okay. This, if this doesn't work, I'm off. I feel like this is a good setup. Resweep the high. Deliver at the 1 minute. Plus for the order block. This should work. I mean, what? Are you serious? That's actually insane. That's failed. I'm not gonna lie. What, bro? December might be cooked. That had 50 the range. I guess it didn't, but like I wouldn't even care about that. I guess the data loss protected. Okay, we rerun the high again. See, like now we're just like, what are we doing? Alright, I'll take this 1 minute. Bro, it's invalid. Oh my god. I'll take this 30-second breaking. It's all invalid. Oh my god. That's so frustrating. Okay, this is gonna run probably. Nope. You rerun the high again. Let me just go with it. Okay. Wow, why did I pick this month? So we're just going right back up. Yeah, I guess all time highs. Not a good month. Jeez. Alright, get me out of there. Shade capture this month? Yeah, this month's horrible right now. I mean, it's just all-time highs. I should be longing, I guess. Longs from 50 this range. Yeah, so tap the 4, I go long, I guess. It's just like everything you've ever learned about trading goes out the window at all-time highs. Okay, we have LRLR down here, so I will be shorting. We get a short. Okay, if we mitigated like an hourly or something, if we tap into this, which I hope, no way we miss every gap. There's something that's not a gap here. It would have worked. But like, why did we miss the buy side? Ooh. Hold on. Okay, this looks obvious. Dude, I'm just gonna be shorting again. Dude, no way we don't go for this unfilled 4. There's no way. I'll wait for the 30. Just to be extra safe. Okay, if we miss this, R is absolutely finished. I would just take it like this. There's no way. Let's take the one. I just want to see if that played out. So, wow, that's actually insane. I mean, is this like it's like a horrible trade that I'm taking? We have an unfilled 4 hour. Okay, I'm just like not gonna short. Alright, I think it's been too long since Ultimate. I'm just forgetting the rules. Guys, just don't short. Cause what is this? What is that? This is like the worst thing ever. No, I'm not. Yeah, I know, but like, Tony, this is like, there's no way we don't go for the unfilled 4 hour after market manipulates like that and it gets a death candle like that. You're telling me we don't go here? Like, that's insane to me. I'm looking for longs. Okay, here's your long. Yep, here's your long, so I will be long in this. Yep, go long. It already hit break even. Re-manipulate. Okay, there's my other long. I'll take the 2 minute here. Okay. In the 2 minute, target unfilled 5. Target LR or above. Okay. I don't even know what to say. Unmitigated 15. 2 minute long V shape. So the shorts aren't working, the longs aren't working. So I'll just quit, I guess. I guess I'm not for checking yes. Where is this? No, this is like my worst session ever. Like I've never. I was backtesting 2023 yesterday, December, and I had a 77% win rate. Like, bro, we have an SMT down here. What are we doing? I guess, man. Okay, slipped out this low, SMT with this low, SMT with this low. If this long fails, is that even triggered? Nope. Okay, there's entry. No, I haven't heard anything about FX replay. I'll check my email. I haven't checked it yet. Okay, we just put it on fill 5 here. There's your break even. Dude, you're joking. This is some sick joke. This is some sick joke. Are we serious? I get break even right there. Oh my god. Guys, I don't know if I can do it. Are we? Okay, cool. Whatever, man. In real life, I'd sit off a month, bro. I mean, I'm getting destroyed. We are forming a lot here. That was literally like, I got break even to the tick right there, so that's unfortunate. What can you do? So yeah, month's not over. I can make it back. Okay, I would be bearish here. Like I would 100% be bearish here because we have a 4 hour inversion. We have LR to the downside. We're mitigating this 4 hour. Like I would be looking everything in my power to look for shorts. Okay, SMT with this high. I'll take this 5 minute combine. Okay, take out the high. 30 second. Okay. There's no way this fails. If this triggers and this fails, we're gonna have an issue. Okay, we're just going right back up. Interesting. Oh, 5 minute. Yes. Okay, I'm in that. If this fails, guys, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, there's just not a world this fails. Do you have a max trade there? Okay. So the way I manage my risk, no, NQ's actually rage rating me. Hello. The way I manage my risk, I do 1 max loss a day on 1 prop firm. So like my apexes I started off with because they're my primary. If I lose on those, also I'm going back to trading on 20 because now I'm like I have extra accounts so I can like distribute better. Basically I'm gonna get max allocation on Lucid and hopefully max allocation on Alpha, so then I'll have 3 different prop firms, and then I basically trade Apex primary. If I take a loss in that, I go to my Lucid. And then I will just trade like either my Lucid or my Alpha, whichever one's closer to payout. Okay. If this does not hit the low, okay, not a good sign. Dude. No, this is the worst. This is the worst P I've ever seen in my life. This actually might be the worst price action I've ever seen. I've never seen ITG get destroyed this bad. In what scenario do you get this V shape of a reaction and we don't hit this low? There's not even SMT there. Fortnite live going crazy. I'm about to ban you. Playing Fortnite in 2025, dude. No, is this some sick joke? Like, okay, so let's analyze this trade. We take buy side. We tap an unmitigated hourly. We sweep out this high. We get an instant V-shaped reaction at 950 in a macro, and we just go right back up. Bias is bullish, bro. Okay. We have a 4-hour inversion. We're developing low resistance liquidity to the downside. Yeah, I guess bias is bullish. I forgot about that. I'm in this 1 minute. Target unmitigated 5-minute below. Oh my god, we won. Oh my god, we won. I feel like this December P will be good though. Maybe I'm tripping. Please dump. Trail stop to the high. I'm scaling up this. Actually, I would have already scaled. Yeah, I'm scaling more. Cool. Okay, we have to hold for a miracle. I don't know. No, I didn't mean to get out. God damn it. I didn't even mean to get out there, bro. Watch this run. Okay, it would have stopped me out. Never mind. That was fine. That was a banger. That was a 1-5. Yeah, I'll post this on YouTube. I don't know if you want to watch it though. Okay, can we somehow end this month green? I just hit a banger right there. Bro, what are you playing, man? Gio, get a grip. Like, no one's playing Fortnite. I don't know a single soul is playing Fortnite. Honestly, I should ban them. Pissing me off. I'm like back bullish. Not gonna lie. I wouldn't mind. Okay, we have this super obvious unmitigated 15 here. I wouldn't mind a short to that. If we rerun this high, actually, yeah. If we rerun this high and get a short, I bet you that works. Dude, there's no. I'll take this 3 minute. We're not. We're not. It's 5 minute. 5 minutes for value up right here. Dude, I'm gonna get short right now. I might try this. Okay, wow, we're just so bullish. I'm looking for like a retrace. Shorter. I don't know about this short. Now we're close to buy side, so I don't really like it. Yeah, go straight to buy side. I wouldn't mind a short here. Jeez, we're bullish. Because we've left every 50-minute gap unmitigated. I mean, I would expect at least a pullback. Okay, there's the all-time high. Let's see. 30-second V-shape. Unmitigated 15, unmitigated 15, unmitigated 15, 55 unmitigated 15s. Yeah, I'll try it. I mean, I usually don't short all-time highs, but like, dude, there's so many unbalanced gaps. Not one of these gaps are balanced. We have an unmitigated 5-minute right here. We just took buy side of the buy side. They told me we're not going to at least go to there. And instant break even, right? Yep. Okay. Take me out. It's a break even. Okay. So it would have been a break even. If we break this 1 minute, that's like a market structure shift. Switch in order flow. Alright, I might take this. Yeah. Unfilled 15-minute. I feel like we should go for at least. There's a technical break even. That's the whore. That's not what I want to see. Okay, it's just gonna, yeah, chop. Next day. Ooh, Zeta high. Interesting. So data high above. So we already know what I'm doing. I will be clicking buy. A long from 50 would be nice. We have a 1 minute long right now, but I mean, it actually doesn't look bad. I just want lower. Like, we're still so high up. Let me look. Let me think. Did the algo get cooked? Yeah, so this would have been a break even. Yeah. I feel like we should rerun the slow one more time. I want to see that happen. Generate more buy side. There's 10 a.m. Oh my god, what is this price action? This is a joke. Okay, there's the resweep that I expected. Now we go for 50 maybe? Okay, I don't marry 50 here. If we get this 3 minute, I'm in that. Bro, what is that close? Oh my god. What is that close? This ain't a point. My break even is right here. I don't know. We missed 50. Did ES tap 50? I mean, I guess I don't need to marry it, right? Like, let me just see if ES tapped this 50. I think ES tapped this 50. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take this. This is too bullish a reaction. But if I lose on this, it's because I just want to wait 1 second. I want to see if we get a 30-second order block. This might just rip. Okay. I'm gonna hindsight it. I don't care. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it. It's fine. I would take this. Like, there's no reason not to. But I'd go break even at my break even. Okay. Okay. So I would have scaled there. I mean, that hit 1R already. I always scale 1R. Yeah, scale there. Now there's no reason not to take this, especially because ES hit its 50. Hindsight's the method, low-key, yeah. I mean, I just want to see a little 30-second reaction, but like, it went invalid on FX replay. But if I saw like these wicks back up, I probably would have just entered. Don't matter though. If you don't hit this data high, trading is patched. We might come rebounced. Okay. Guys, we're almost back to break even. Let's go. First reliable outbreak. Now reliable was like reliable learning that 9-hour trade that was invalid was like cracking me up. Yeah, it's just the biggest alert I've ever had. And I literally was telling him like it didn't even trigger. And he was like, yeah, I didn't see that. Anyways, I want to be bearish here because we have this new week or new day opening gap. But so I'd look to long out of this. There's such an obvious low in that. If you got like an obvious order flow switch, order flow change, I'd look to short. Something like, yeah, like this. I might just take this 50-minute combine, honestly. If this triggers, no. Okay, never mind. Jesus. Right back up. Okay. I actually wasn't looking a long right here. I should have been. Kind of icky. I don't like any of this. This all sucks. Now right back down. Nope. Okay, 1 minute long here. I'm not taking this. Okay, where's ES? Hold on. What the hell? Dude, we're so high. I can't. Okay, it would have been break even. I just can't long this high. We're getting a 15-minute SMR. Swap that. This short probably works. There's no sweep though. I don't want to resweep. Would have been a break even. Okay. I'm gonna look to long now. I think ES is about to hit its 4-hour low, which is here. I know it already did. It's actually about to hit this low. I don't need it to hit it though. Okay, this one along sucks. Unless there was an SMT at the low. Oh my god, there was, and I missed it. Oh, that's gonna be hindsight now. Oh, it actually didn't even trigger. What am I saying? Yeah, it never even triggered. Okay. This is good if there's an SMT, which I just saw that there is. Yeah, that's just gonna be the reversal. 5 minute long. What's my targets? My targets suck here. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, my targets are horrible. This 30-second was good. I was looking at the 5 though. I'd be done. I'd be out. This is a very uneventful class. Actually, it's a good learning lesson. I haven't been to short. I'm back to something this in a minute. I mean, I'm still only down 1 hour. I did bring it back, but yeah. This low would be nice. That's so far away though, so realistically this low. Oh my. Are you serious? There's no way we just keep pumping right there. Oh my god. Okay, we're forming like decent sell side here. So maybe I short. 1 minute V-shaped short at 10.16. With an SMT. Can't forget about the SMT. What do y'all think about this? Probably not. Break even. Dude, this is unbelievable. Like, you just can't get like a good long. You like missed an obvious low down there. Yeah, no, this is horrible. We're just getting bull flags. Wow, okay. Alright, I'm bearish. Yeah, I'm bearish. We have a new week. Like, we should go fill that. That's such an obvious one, too. I like this 15-minute gap for a short. Dude, why are we missing that? Go up. Why would we? Okay. Nah, see, this is actually rage bait. That's actually rage bait, because unless we tapped it. Oh, we tapped an hourly. Go back. I didn't even see that. Not bad. Okay, I should check the hourly time frame. So, I thought the 15-minute was the highest time frame gap there. We're in an hourly though, so I don't need the 15-minute. Any short here. This short, yes. I thought we just missed an obvious higher time frame gap for no reason. Okay, break even there. No. Oh my god. I want to just scale. I want to lead runners. No, literally. Okay, I would have scaled here. But whatever. So, why am I bearish here? We're at all-time highs. And, like, obviously, you'd be like, Vert, you should be longing, right? But what did we leave? If my chart could load, that'd be great. We left a monstrous new week opening gap. And, like, this big of a gap loves to get filled, right? You all know that. It's actually a new day opening gap. It's not even a new week, which is kind of crazy. So I'd be looking to short this and just ride. Like, I feel like we just continue to fill this. This short's good. Unmitigated hourly. Left relative equal lows. Came back up. Rebalanced this hourly VPR. Traded down. And I like that market open is accelerating. I should just see another red candle. Like, if we might just go right back up here. Okay. Yeah, see, that's what I didn't want to see. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. So I'll scale more there. I'm literally just gonna, like, send this down. We have this entire gap, so let's just see. Yeah, this looks whatever. Okay, we're back in profit. We have made it. We're almost done with the month. We have 6 more days. Well, I'm not trading post Christmas. Oh my. Okay, I actually would be bearish here again. This hourly fair value gap holds structure, and that breaking tells me we want to go lower. Because it sent price to a higher high. So we should go for this low. Unless there's an obvious S&P. Nope. Okay. Can I play price? This shit's so broken. Okay, FX replay, please. Let's see. So I wouldn't mind a short. Probably from a okay, so once we put this, yeah, like a resweep this high would be nice. But maybe just this, because we're about to put it on negative 15. So I want to see. Nah, we just don't. Okay. Yeah, so we actually missed the draw by in millimeter. I'd rather just go rebounds as 15 before shorting. That'd be the best case scenario. And then we get like a 10 AM reversal. Okay, that's beautiful. If we get a short here, I'm in. I will be shorting that. Like if we get this 30-second. Bro, FX replay. Please, let me play. And I missed the entry. Whoops. Okay. So, would I be shorting this? Yes. I like this short. We left sell side, left relative equal lows. We came up, we rebounds 50%, or we tap 50%. We IF'd an hourly. We got a 30-second death candle inversion. Is there 1 minute here? 30 seconds until the 1 minute close. I'll probably wait for the 1 minute to close. Okay, there's a 1 minute close. Check out ES. Alright, here's nothing. Wow. What am I missing? What am I missing? Time aligns. It's 10:08. I guess we just want to reform this first. We'll get one more remanipulation. Right there. Yeah, there's your manipulation. Now we get the short. There's your short. Okay. I mean, that 30-second short's a good loss. I don't know. We're still, yep. I would take this too. Oh, we're in a 3 minute. I would not take this. I would wait for the highest time frame most obvious for that gap, which would probably be the 5. I knew that 1 minute would work though. It's just all invalid. 1 minute would have been break even. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna just short this. I think this works. Where does ES? Okay, hold on. This is also, I'm just gonna cut end the class here after this trade. I'm looking at ES. We have super clean V-shaped price action. And I look at NASDAQ and we are just doing absolutely nothing. This is actually the worst one. I'd back this, I think. This 5 minutes invalid. I still think it works though. I still think it works because we have LRLR. We have LRLR. This is so risky, but oh, well, it printed. Yeah, like I wouldn't. Like you can count this as invalid, but if we're gonna go lower, we should not go higher here. Like we already mitigated everything. We mitigated the first percentage for value gap in the leg. We've gotten the reversal. We have LRLR here. Yeah, probably. And you just take this to the relative lows. Okay, what am I gonna scale break even? I forgot to go break even. And break even trade. like leaving these relatively lows makes no sense. But that wasn't unmitigated 4, I think. Oh no, that was the lows. That was the new week. I would still be looking to short, even though it's like lunch hour now. Like, there's just no way we leave those relatively lows. Those look really nice. Now the price action is just horrible. And then random death candle at 4 o'clock. Or at 2 o'clock. Okay. Just take it out the draw. I guess you can long here. I'm calling it. I don't want to trade. I actually, like, I usually like back this thing, but I just do not want to back this anymore. Wow. That's so bad. Jeez. Yeah, no, I don't. Honestly, I don't even know. That's like the worst backtesting session I've ever had. I was still in the green, but like, dude, I don't know. Maybe my market read is bad. Like I was doing 23 yesterday, December 2023, and I was doing great. I don't know. Some months are bad, some months are good. Anyways, I'm gonna end it there.